The Solis zero-carbon energy system leads a new era of smart residential energy. Solar modules, battery, and the generator are combined with the smart Solis S6 advanced power hybrid inverter. This inverter offers generator connectivity capability, allowing the generator to be connected to the inverter to supply the load without changing the existing wiring. The inverter supports all types of generators to connect. It is also possible to send control signals to automatically start and stop the generator according to the specific power consumption. In self-use mode, the S6 converts the power for households and sends additional power to the battery system to be stored. In grid priority mode, PV power is supplied to households first, and the remaining power is delivered to the grid. In backup mode, the system offers resiliency by providing power to the home at night through battery discharge and generator. The S6 supports peak shaving control in both self-use and generator modes. The system can provide additional energy with battery when home loads exceeds grid supply, enabling users to power high-demand loads. It is also equipped with automatic UPS switching, creating a truly seamless transition during outages. With 6 different charge and discharge time settings, the S6 can be set to discharge power into the home during peak rate times, which optimizes home energy consumption from the grid. In off-grid applications, the S6 provides 200% surge power backup capability for 10 seconds, providing support for appliances that require high instantaneous power startup. Compatible with both lead-acid and lithium batteries, you can choose the most efficient energy storage solution to fit your needs. This inverter has a max charging and discharging current of 190 ampere, which improves the system power efficiency. It supports 1-phase and 3-phase flexible connection with the ability to run multiple inverters in parallel for up to 48 kW of power. Equipped with the Solis cloud platform, it gives you the ultimate control of your system in the palm of your hand. Secure your energy future with the Solis S6 Advanced Power Hybrid Inverter.